Good day. I'm making this video on the above topic, that is biomolecules. Why biomolecules, not just molecules? This is a question that you may ask yourself. Why biomolecules, not just molecules? Before thinking about this, let's go back to the field of chemistry where we study chemicals, where we study chemical reactions, where we study matter and its composition. And each and every matter is said to compose of atoms, molecules, and ions. But in the field of biochemistry, we only study chemical reactions within living organisms. We only study chemical reaction within the living system. We only study chemical reaction within plants, animals, and the most primitive creatures, which are the microorganisms. And that is why the previous video is being added to the term chemistry, which gives rise to the term biochemistry. That is to say, biochemistry is the study of the chemistry of biology, because biochemistry is studying, it's a kind of applying the knowledge of chemistry to integrate life down to molecular levels. Biochemistry is using the knowledge of chemistry to study how a bunch of biological processes occurs within the living system, because it's studying molecular interaction which result in physiological processes, all by applying the knowledge of chemistry. Now, going back to the above topic, biomolecules, not just molecules, but biomolecules. Why? The reason here is that each and every matter, it is said to compose of atoms, molecules, and ions. We have living matter and non-living matter. So the differentiate between molecules found in living matter and those found in non-living matter. Hence, the previous video is being added to the term molecule also, which gives us the term biomolecules. So whenever we say biomolecules, we are strictly referring to those molecules found within living organisms. Now, molecules. From the field of chemistry, when we say molecules, we are referring to a bunch of, or a kind of, when we have two or more elements, either the same or different together. For example, considering the chemical formula of water, H2O, is an example of what? Molecule. Now, biomolecules. What are biomolecules? Biomolecules are a kind of a chemical compound found within living organisms. They are also referred to as the biological molecules. These biomolecules or biological molecules are essentially composed of the 6 essential elements of life, which are the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and the phosphorus. These biomolecules perform very important function. In fact, they are referred to as lifeless biomolecules. And we have hundreds of thousands of these biomolecules within the body of living organisms, out of which few are characterized. Among those that are characterized, we have those which are referred to as the 4 major macromolecules. These 4 major macromolecules are the carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and the nucleic acid. All these 4 major macromolecules are having monomers and polymers, with the exception of the lipids. Lipids are not having polymers. Now, talking about the first one, which are the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, the monomers of carbohydrates are referred to as monosaccharides, while the polymers are polysaccharides. And the proteins, the monomers are referred to as the amino acid, while the polymers are referred to as the polypeptide or the proteins. Nucleic acid, the monomers are nucleotides, while the polymers are DNA and RNA, while lipids are not having polymers. These are what I have for you in this short video. In my subsequent videos, I will explain each these macromolecules, the carbohydrate, proteins, and lipids in separate videos. I will like to be Mubarak Ismail, MI, common sense, and always a usable check. Thank you.